Diane in Denmark here, rah rah rah, and welcome back to our 2026 reset series. If you're just joining us or if you've missed a couple of days, don't worry, you can just start with me today. No lists, there's no having to print things out and check things off, no guilt. All we're doing is a small doable task every day. You're checking with me at the kitchen table here in Copenhagen. So let's get right into it for today's task. Very simple. I want you to take 15 minutes, as I said yesterday. I always like to set a timer so we don't go overboard. Hand up if you're one of those people. And I just want you to spend 15 minutes getting things out of your head and onto paper. Look at your, if you've got a diary, a wall calendar, maybe you do it digitally, maybe you've got everything on your phone, but just get everything out of your head onto paper and look, just plot everything in, because we're not planning out the whole year, but just getting out of your head onto paper and seeing what's coming up in the next couple of days, weeks, this year. It just brings us that sense of calm, and that's what I want for you. And that's the whole reason that I'm doing this series. When I was overwhelmed, I was disorganized, the house was messy, dirty. I was super organized at work, and I really felt that shame. It was so important to me that somebody just said, do this. You don't need to do all the things, just do this, and we're moving forward. And that's what I'm doing for you. I'm taking out the thinking process, just telling you what to do. And please let me know what you've been up to the last couple of days, how you organize yourself. But the main thing is, I don't want to put any pressure on you. You don't need to like, subscribe, all of that. I just want you to do today's task and join me again at the kitchen table here in Copenhagen. There's nothing scary about it, and we're doing it together, all right? So take a deep breath, grab something to drink, go and grab your diary, scrap of paper, planner, whatever, and get on with it. And I shall cheer you on with my pom-poms, send you off on your merry way, and meet me back here tomorrow for day, what are we? Day 8. So off you go with a rah, rah, rah.